Welcome to yet another episode of Pass and Move. Step 3 Events is the name of the channel. Namhlanje is a special episode. Uprogramu inaj. Pango? Zithini my bra?
Sure, bro. Sure. Hamba ndaba.
I'm nine state. Asenze isidume ngakho program. Sikhulume ngendaba zethu zomdlalo wenguqu.
Namhlanje balaleli silo umdlalo omkhulu webhola lapha kuthiwa umkhokheli uDube usivakatshele e-studio sethu namhlanje. Bram siyakwamukela lapha.
Thanks for having me.
Yeah.
Afa mshoza, zithini?
Sharp machitari sharp.
Thina si-state butters. Lokho esama ukuyincenga la.
Sibona nehleze emasofeni madoda. Siyezamnandi.
Siziblobele ku-couch. Welcome to Pass and Move, mshoza.
Thank you for having me.
Mshoza. Lapha sizixoxela nje just ngedisk njengabantu bebhora. Kuwe program uqalisa nga.
Ibhora is now a business now. Udala nasadlala sadlalela uthando. But now it has become a business. And it's a $1 billion industry. If you look at the revenues as well, Eboreni through stuff like this podcast, through Ama TV rights, there's so much money to be made Eboreni.
True.
And then Tina Zimbabwe, we only focus on Ama players where there's money in selling merchandise, where there's money everywhere. Now is sponsor on your jerseys, it's money. So we have to find that in Zimbabwe where we can make money in Ebora. But see Kangela broadly, not just a ground repair.
Okay. Ngiyazwakala Bram. Mina ngizathi usenzele so Bram. Cela abantu mina ngiyakwazi uashiyakwazi. Abanye abantu abakwazi. Cela utshela ama-viewers ethu abasukele emakhaya zonke indawo ukuthi wena ngubani umkhokheli Dube.
Alright, nabizwa lami umkhokheli Dube. Born and bred Bulawayo, ngazalelwa eChabalala, ngakhulele eChabalala, lapho engiqase khona ukudlala khona ibhora. I've played football for more than 22 years.
Oh, wow.
And it's been a blessing. One given a talent, God-given talent. Ikubonisa amazwe achiyene. Ngidlalile eZimbabwe, ngadlala e-USA, ngadlala eGoli. Asempheni ngafuna ngizodlala la. Sizoqedelela.
So wena njengoba imbuzi uqaseni ukuthi kuqala your love for the game. Uthi uzubona ukuthi no, but I can do this thing.
Growing Bulawayo, there's love for Highlanders. Everyone loves Highlanders. And I was fortunate enough Ubaba was this crazy supporter of Highlanders. So from a tender age, in humble Babe Poren. One Sabono Vilati like APF. The crazy part, my dad, where the audio cassette, where I record, stock like a poor. So, he called up going to APF, so part of the atmosphere and Elapana.
Okay. Sibuyele emuva futhi Bram la. Nangifuna primary uthi waqalisa ku grade 1 ibhora.
Primary vele ngingena primary ngase ngithanda ibhola. Ngafunda eMahlabezulu Primary School eChabalala. You can ngafunda from grade 1 to 7.
Okay.
And that's where I fell in love with football because ngaleso sikhathi kwalo headmaster othiwa Dixon Mlilo. Is late now. Wasifakela iloni lapha eMahlabezulu.
Back in the days iloni.
Primary school.
Unyaka uphi yena?
Angena primary. Aphume primary 1995. So you can roll back the years to calculate and do minutes. Yeah. So during that time, so 1993, 94, also alone with the primary. So gas. So can you imagine when you player you want to play alone? Alone is as if only PF, you only white city. But now I corner Tina Villa school. So the guy was soccer crazy. So I think that's why I was alone. And I was introduced to Mr. Paratzai. He's late as well. We went to Tandipora because he was my coach. He was my first coach. We went to Tandipora in West Night now udlala lapha amalwenzi njani. That's when I fell in love with scoring goals. ngisase-primary school.
Your first club kuma-juniors?
First club ama-juniors kwakuyi-Chabalala Pirates.
Chabalala Pirates.
Chabalala Pirates Chabalala as well. But yangaso-club enkulu, wayi-club encane. Then ngaso-Chabalala Pirates ngase siya eDunlop.
Alright, Dunlop ngiyayazi.
iDunlop uyazi.
Yeah, sasijala uyi-Chow 7. Yeah, azwe Dunlop. Dunlop vele wakwazi ukuthi nxa uthiwa Dunlop, useyadinga i-trick.
But ograzi badlala iDunlop edakiwe engeva kwethu esisukile. Sesizokuboleka kakhulu. Iyalenda kudala esithi ngabona ama-players are-good.
Yeah, very true.
Bahle bawathatha.
Lami ngiyakhumbula u-Excel sasithi singadlala amanye ama-games. Ngadlala lo munye uzothi Bhango, uBhambo oyiswile wana simkhireni lo. Yakudlala maybe kwamanye ama-team elabedlala against lawo.
So vele ibhola linjalo. Ungabona nxa uyi-club kathesi ngabona umfana ukukwanisa ibhola try by all means ukuthi ngifana nabe club nami. So ngiyabona ukuthi vele into le is a trend from kudala. If you're a good player, clubs will want to get you.
Big clubs.
Yeah.
So Chabalala Pirates, Dunlop,
then Highlanders. Yeah, so get Dunlop ngase ngisephumula hayi. Because ngangaba libhoda eClock for a couple years. So ngabe eClock for
eBoarding
for 3 years. But ibhoda eBoarding antawazi yabudlala bobhara
esikhathini. Hayi eBoarding vela melanga.
So sabe sadlala i-tournament eGifford sidlala leMzilikazi. So ngiphenduka ngesikhathi sakhona ike ngahle ngabuya ngangidlala ngeholiday ngidlala eDunlop. Then that's when ngathi sathi ukuthi mana ngihle ngenzeni ngikhambe kwa-Highlanders.
eGifford kona because lo munye indoda labafunde eGifford babenjani bona
yithi beja
esikhathi sakhona
elaba-ground amahle yiko okuhle iGifford
nakathesi ukuthi back in the days abana facilities and everything but abacave uthola umuntu ele-shooters but kalicave.
But antiyamuntu singakhohlwa futhi ukuthi kudala ama-parents ethu this idea ukuthi kumele uqale isikole. Mina lami I'm part of that family where ubaba mayisithi awudlali ibhola nxa ungapasanga. So antiyabona ukuthi we balance the two. Uyabona? I-difference yang ekasi la ngapha ungathiwa isikolo sokuyisikolo. But ekasi nesasibaleka siyodlala ibhola.
Vele.
Ube intama bakuchaya every day but sasuyavukela futhi ground.
For
the love of football.
Yes.
So I think that's where the difference is. Kathesi abafana laba they see ibhola ezindawo yokwenzela imali. Thina sathi kwakuthando. Imali sibuya but uyenza into njani oyithandayo. But laba kathesi abantu ngamavili isikhathi esiningi. Ibhola phela is 2 hours a day. Omunye umuntu athi if I go there ngihole it's fine.
I'm done.
Ikubona siba lama cases amaningi uzothi coach ubhadalisa ubani ukwenze kwale into ezinjalo. But thina kithi kwakungesekho nka. Kithi kwakuthando lebhola.
Yes.
So from Gifford
Gifford tournament. Sidlala leMzilikazi.
Usuka wasuhamba njani lapho?
Khonapho isikhathi sakhona ike ngabonakala uChiromo ngamazi uChiromo ayithanda ibhola. Yabona. So le idea ukuthi uyuzodlala ngaphi eBlawayo. Yabona. So that's when engabuya khona sensiyafunda ePhumula.
Chiromo with master eMzilikazi.
Yes, master eMzilikazi. So ngase siyafunda ePhumula. Esikhathi ngifunda ePhumula ngase ngiyaziduma all of this ngaphi ePhumula high.
Okay.
Lapho i-club football sudlala every week. Akusafana la nxa useBoarding odlala ngeholiday. Sudlala every week. My teams see you. And I was fortunate enough Benjamin Moyo saw me and he was the one who said we are Highlanders.
By then ucha phambili ko
ngikaza vela ngidlala phambili.
Never changed.
I played phambili but this case because ngangigijima athi sakusela. Kala ngangigijima. So this case ngafaka on the right side. But in my position was very phambili.
Strike.
Yeah.
All right. So usephumula usudlala ku-Highlanders. Lapho ku-Highlanders sasema-juniors.
Ku-Highlanders sasema-juniors i-first year, the second year ngapromote ngahlanga first team.
Okay. Umnyaka asingena umnyaka wapromote ngawo.
2009.
2009.
Ngangisephumula high.
All right. What's your point usesigcina?
Ngangisesikole. And ngaleso sikhathi kwakumnandi phela ukuthi uyadlala uhlohle
bese mbuya khona
uye ku-headline kusasi esikole eklasini.
Bese mbuya khona lapho.
Ngapha uyabuhola imali incedle ka-teacher.
Plus.
Yabona plus le Highlander ngokwayo, you know ukuthi into yakhona ngesikhathi yakhona awukubona. Ukubona athi sina usukhulile na usucabanga back. Going back the days, you see. But I was fortunate enough to play at a professional level in school. It doesn't happen every day.
To everyone.
So now I appreciate it more than before.
Ngesikhathi sona sorry bangomboni bese ufuna ukubona.
It's okay.
Ngesikhathi when you are breaking into the Islanders first team, ngobani abahluphayo because iIslander novele yayivele ichisa. Kwakuyi Islander ayikhona leya manje.
Yeah, but ukhangele futhi ukuthi i-junior policy at that moment it was on a high as well. Ukhangele ama-tournaments esadlalayo gole Peter Ndlovu, gole Champions Trophy, like gole Coca-Cola. I-junior policy was at its best. Because if you think about Peter Ndlovu, wawuthola ama-team avela eMtare, Harare, they will come and play Peter Ndlovu eBulawayo. So which means as a country we were far much better in junior development. So ngaleso sikhathi ngakhangela i-crew engangilayo ngalabo Vusanyoni, labo Ona Kombami.
Yeah, bengifuna ubamba umlomo khona pho. Akunitshela. Emkandweni wafika njani emsirikazi ayi?
Emkandweni ngafika ngisensuke ephumula. Chiromo wahlwabe wathi yafunda mahara. So
lapha was it A level or O level?
A level. Ufunda mahara esikolo. Can you imagine ufunda mahara esikolo?
Yeah.
Ngapha uyaphima le phela into yokudala la usukutsotsi. Plus 17 18. Yaphima le school fees wena ngabe ubhadala le school fees. Asukholisa phela vele. Yabona. So
mentality yakhona.
I-mentality yakhona lapho. So ngifike lapha emzilikazi, you know ngesikhathi sakhona i-football yayiphezulu phela.
Not School of Excellence.
School of Excellence ngapho ufunda mahara, ngapho udlala ibhola. So for me it was an advantage. Because like I said, is more of education than football. But you had to find a way to ngapasa phela ba complete abathini to dlala ibhola. Yabona. So then you got a chance to see Mzilikazi, play Mzilikazi. The team to yela players in the 7-8 at the Premier League.
Any memories? Like am I highlight lokuthi
like it's a school. Remember I played St. Columbus, I like 10-0.
It's St. Columbus.
St. Columbus. Ewomuki. St. Columbus Ewomuki.
Colombo ngenye idayi. Ama-blazer bayi-green.
Thina ekhasi sigqoka ama-grey. Chaba abantu kuphela phela khona. Ngakhala i-team yakhona esikolo la. It's crazy. Isivusa badlala kumaZulu. Okulami lo Gilbert sihlala ku-Islander. Kula be-Restars oTsiba. Like esikolo sasingatrain esikhathi esiningi. Sasibuya esikolo siyodlala ibhola. Because very club
professionally food.
But in ngaleso sikhathi remember they used to say school comes first. Even the club in priority ingapi isesikolo. So ngeke sahlala khona.
So mbani wenguchomo wakho ngesikhathi sona lezi nje esikolo nje wasithi alo ngumjido wami lo.
Choma mvele even sasi uKayilinda ngikharana. Sahlala sonke phambili. Castro Ndebele.
Castro.
Castro.
Okay.
From vele sikawafana sibuya kuKayilinda sisabe same time.
Castro lapha nandi.
Safukazathi saxoxisa ama-strikers wonke ayekhona. Sahlala kumanda 15, 17 like 19. Yabo. So those were the days, bro. Like
but I still haven't answered my question proper. Ku-first team Islanders ngobani then abachisayo?
First team Islanders
break through wena
ungawuthola ukuthi go the 3 teams. Ungakhuluma ngabantu like there's so many players. Tulani Bia, Tizkapenya, Talenton Piri, Etitube, Etinyeka. There's a time Adam Lovi, Kempeg, Tawan Masawi.
Yo.
Uzenzo just left during that season. It's a surprise. Ocho Lupata, Mamba Chison, Richard Choro. Bra. Yo. Team Liana was. Team was crazy. You to go the 3 teams.
Put us, how did you break through uzungene team enjalo?
Opportunity. Having a coach that believes in you from my juniors. wenzakala kuqala uBenji was assistant coach first team but more head coach juniors one. So what was happening first team was happening pants. So moving up it was easy because your training is the same.
So
the philosophy is the same.
So you can safely say structures back then were much better than.
This is where we're trying to go back to. But now with the first team, everything is the first team has to go down never final. So that you find live at parents. It's easy transition no self first team.
So sukwa Highlanders lapha Bram la debut game yakho la.
First game it was versus Chapung. 99. I remember I played last 4 games. First game, then I go to for them team ya win. I scored my first game.
Wow. Going from
yeah, win. So advantage kuna abantu advantage of udla sufana omncane. Nxa wazidlale kubi no one knows you. But if you make an impact, the whole country knows you now. So you like ngabala yona le because sometimes you need luck eporeni.
Yafunakala.
Uyafika isikhathi endaweni situation obona ukuthi lapha vele kunzima. Omunye umuntu awunika chance. Chance la when I got that goal ngahlangana ukuthi this is home for me.
So first year yakho Highlanders le.
The first year after 2000. 2000 that was the best year for me.
Because lapho mina ngithi first year yakho wadlala khona usithi wadlala khona 4 games.
99.
99. All right.
99.
Waqina uqede
with 2 goals.
In
4 games since Ipela.
So a good
return. For young kids, bro. Vele ukuhlohla khona ngokwakho. Even ngaba ngahlohla 1. For me it was enough.
And then like into ezinjengama squad ama under I remember once met Harare.
Yeah, when advantage udlala Highlanders. Wadlala Highlanders i-recognition yakho da ibankulu.
Inkulu kakhulu for a big
that opportunity yami ukuthi ngene first team uhlohle that goal. The following year nganguma under 20 national team. And coming from Highlanders Highlanders Delamos at that time Cape United. Going there, you have an edge over any other player of the team.
You've just read my mind because I remember back then. I think this cut is same era ukhuluma Dynamos yile Kisnet. So befuna ukukhuluma issue ye junior police.
Yeah.
Which is as a country, it was not only Highlanders, but countrywide.
Yeah.
Junior police was very important. Ngoba ngesikhathi osho njoba sithi Dynamos yile Kisnet. Go is age
same age yeah.
Yabaye babadlala kulokho zelo.
Ungakhangela into yakho even the Nash yona ngikwazi. Nash was strong. So I met Sifa Simeta, Norman Maroto, Eddie Mashiri, Nash when you went to play a triangle.
And the Nash waba ngakwaziyo i-tournament yani Coca-Cola ezikolo.
Dlala under 20. Under 20.
Yeah, it
under 20.
It's under 20 that is. Yeah.
See the podcast.
So that's when I met Eddie Mashiri, Mr. Churchill, Norman Maroto. So we met a school first. Then the following year, so Sonke Swizomani, under 20.
Wow.
So I want to brother would talk about corner because you guys have seen each other, we've known each other. Because remember, when we won Nash Games, we went to Malawi. So we would take some other guys from other schools. So Sifa Chimeza, Norman Maroto, Eddie Mashiri, Amisi, they were part of that crew.
Hamba is
a squad. So from Konapana, when we were being called national team, it was easy because it's a in effect.
Nice. So Highlanders, prolific striker now, usuyazakala ngapha usesigila. Njabe sikwazi phela mshoza nje ukhuluma ukuthi kwesikhala bele kholo udlula otisha. Abantwana.
Now the thing is when you have to have your own principles. I knew exactly what I wanted to do.
Okay.
I wanted to play football. This was going to be my career. So if you want to corner, we're normally that age, you're 18, 19.
Yeah.
Girls will throw themselves at you. But now it's the mindset. What do you want to wear where to? Are you content in OTs, or if you want something more? So for me now, I want to have a girlfriend then, but I prioritize it first. before anything else.
A major lesson for the youngsters out there watching.
Yeah, because without discipline, because it becomes self-discipline at that point. Think about it now, Jalawa Islanders. And back then, there's a lot of social media like now. So going on that way. I can imagine now.
That's as funny as you say it. Last 2 weeks, I learned the APF. But these days with the social media, back then, they were more popular than these boys. Go to the social media platform.
But back then, there was good football. It will attract abantu ukuthi basuke ezindlini bayenjani bayabukela ibhola. Umuntu ngilawa last time wayekwazi ngokubona. But now abazi ngama pictures so uyabe ngakwazi ukuthi even le character yakhe njani. Uyabona? But kudala usithi ungadliwa ngangena etown singadliwa kwa Islanders. Because every person ebefuna ukutshela ukucabangayo. But singawina Monday ngise town. Because I know you're going to the grocery. Actually takes. Because Bulawayo
is
Highlanders. Highlanders is the pride of Bulawayo. So ungayenza kuhle people take care of you.
Kuyazwakala sibili Bulawayo. Hayi. Kuyazwakala bafana I think abafana labo bazafunda. Bafunda ukuthi besebenze nzima. So lapho suka Highlanders. And then next
Single Islanders, 3 match championships with Islanders. 2004, I got an opportunity to go to the US on a soccer scholarship.
Before uhambe khonapho States lapho Brown, which was your memorable game ngathi kuma championship? Which one othi khona le said it's close to your heart? And 3 ama championships.
3 ama championships.
Yeah.
But ngathi abantu abangazi ngayo game experience. Like people when they talk about umkhokheli Dube. When they say
ball boy game.
Uhlala So abantu ngathi umkhokheli Dube Islanders they always think of that game. Because experience was a big club.
Huge.
2000 and
2002 I think.
2.
So I'm still young, still a teenager at the time. I remember I was playing against Jahiti, the defender. That guy, in the next 2 months, he was playing in England. England. Waiting Appleton in England. So you see it. That's where you see the value of it. But back then, like he was any other player. But ukhangela ukuthi le ndawo lapho vela khona iyanceda empilweni. Imagine scoring in Champions League ngivela eTunisia. I could have gone to Europe.
Yes.
At that moment in time.
At that time, Esperance
Isabisa. And scoring against that guy the following month, you have sumbukele ku TV. You know, it shows that lapes corner in terms of football, sasing a move. But now at least we've won a Kamba, with these other guys playing overseas.
And the Kurma came in Elana. We're so much hopeful. Until we were about chance 6. Yeah, 6. Captain over man of the match. Can you imagine? Do you remember that game?
Man of the match
was 17.
I was cheering
Brown. Like first 3 minutes, Kilpet was given a red card. First 3 minutes. First foul, yeah. Why part of box? I remember a foul moment, but it was a free kick. I foul pan. You know, Puma pan. That shot the whole game.
Yeah, so it was going to
it was
going from Arab.
Yeah, but the other thing too, like they prioritized the Champions League.
Yeah.
Tina, we're content by just playing Champions League.
Look travel,
but they prioritized Champions League because they knew Champions League is mad. Like right now, I'll tell you, if you qualify with Champions League to play in the group stages, you owe $750,000.
That's a lot.
So those people had that mentality back then. Tina Lapo were content with Champions League. So
mentality.
That's what separated us with Arab countries. Because when we the value of the tournament. what it brings to the club every season. Because look at Sundowns right now.
Yeah.
And every year, Bafana Champions League, one get a group stage. So they know it
Seen
every year.
the value.
Every year they have
Kule
750,000.
mali, yeah.
Yeah, but now they're going to Club World Cup.
World Cup. Yeah.
They're guaranteed 1 billion
Just
rands.
imagine.
Can you imagine that? So Tina, I think it's la pays chess. We sleep problem yale. We're looking at la, not there. We should change that because Kabanga every year club idlala Champions League ingena group stage.
Ngicela uyibambe khona bo Brass sibuye. Usuka wayilenda lapha. Ayethu usithi khona waqina udlala eStates. Imove le yaphuma njani imove le?
Imove le it was this guy who attended the Islanders song Ilan Ilkheim.
Ilan who?
Ilan Ilkheim.
Ilkheim.
Why go part of the Islanders executive Dala. He used to come and watch my games in Kyo. He used to come and watch my games.
Ilkheim nje ngoba ngudaki.
Andoda wakhona uMacloud.
Ayikho chicken.
Abantu abamnyama Moses Jackson.
Moses Jackson.
Uyabona into ezinjani?
Aphathi Ilkheim.
Ilkheim wekhulumani.
Ngeke ukwazi brother.
So he came up with one uthi isikolo are good enough isikolo I'm there okay. And he came up with this idea that, I can get you a scholarship. Yeah, but you take it lightly, but this guy was serious. I was like, okay, I'm there, okay. Whenever you're ready, I'm ready. And then that particular year, 2004, I remember I was coaching Dick Chama. And that opportunity came by.
So lapha uhamba useBoreni straight ubuse school office.
So what happens? The American system is different than Zimbabwe.
Okay.
Gule league college, university football. So now if you're given a scholarship, you play a school.
A school. Okay.
Ngapho ufunde class.
All right.
So this was the opportunity that was there. In that particular moment, like ngawe my options zami, and I saw it was the best that I could do.
So, in a nutshell, academics, then was Kurma out, they prioritized open doors.
Open the doors for me to go to the US. So it was both academic and football.
And football.
So now, if you balance it together,
you
give something.
Utabafana be diski, the academics. Most bathanda uyidele. But now, Cecily example, I'm sure.
Yeah, very good example.
If they can balance the two, look what happens.
Yeah, because balance in life is needed, bro. Because football, the moment you get on ground, it's 90-10%. You can get injured. It's not a 50-50. It's a 90-10 ratio. 90% you get injured. 10% you are right. So it tells you a story. We are fortunate enough that we could play till later ages. But abanye silaba abanye balimalayo. I'll give you a good example of uThuba Nkumanzane ngihamba la e-US. Sahamba e-US, he got injured the first year. Can you imagine ngabe wayese Zimbabwe?
Yes.
So now he's got a successful business, and because of what the academics side. If you were elimele Zimbabwe, you're going to be stuck. Sephelile. But now the balance now it comes in and helps.
Yeah.
Also, again, it helps Futeporen. You're getting paid. The education part comes and help you to try to invest in ways that's using.
That's nice, Putas. This is a very, very important lesson too. Especially I'm worried about the young kids today. Especially the academic side.
Yeah, isikolo sona siqhakathekile kakhulu. So bra lapha eStates usesikolo ngapha udlala ibhola.
Ngisesikolo ngapha ngidlala ibhola.
And then ayiye ukuthi waqina udlala ku PSL uyakhona ngale. Bathi kuthiwa
MLS.
Kwahamba njani kahle kahle.
So
yiyo le edlala lo Messi le.
Edlala Messi. Okay. So what happened my last year at school? I got a chance to because I had played 2-3 years at school, and I was doing well. College football. Because I remember one season I scored 56 goals in 30 games. So at college.
Shows wawudlala labo bani 56 goals.
Teammates. That's what I was.
Cabanga umuntu lovela shot Esperance.
You see, it was what will happen. Tina, our school, because first of all, ngahamba ngaye Wilson. Esikolo sethu nesiyana, we had foreigners.
Okay.
Abantu ababe ama-American, goalkeeper.
Okay.
Only.
So can you imagine?
So
I'm talking about players from
African
Trinidad.
squad.
I'm talking about players from Trinidad,
Yeah.
from Jamaica, from Brazil, from
Worldwide.
Ecuador, like from everywhere, from Kenya, from South Africa. It's teammate we're supposed to win championships. Like we're built to win championships. So when I got there, our first year is final. The following year, it's a winning championship. So that's when I moved to Coastal Carolina. That's a Division 1 school where you get better opportunities to go to the MLS.
All right. Okay.
Because what happens in MLS, they draft players like basketball, like American football. So
their style is different from
very good, different from lab. No, it's different. They draft players. Season in my pillar, if you're a senior and you're doing well, my chances to get drafted are very high. So that's what happened to me in that particular year.
Okay.
2008, I got drafted by New England Revolution. This is where I went and played my career in the US.
How many years, America?
For New England, I was there for 5 years. Then I went to Chicago for a year. Then I got back here to South Africa.
Oh, what the
Echo.
PSL?
Yeah.
So life kona ngale ile injani emazweni kona like college football baba celebrate yini abantu bebhora into ezinjalo.
When I went there in 2004, I remember first day to the airport, writing newspaper. Because I was used to the newspapers in Zimbabwe. Chronically. Herald. First thing you do, it's football.
Yeah.
There was a piece like this, airport.
Big page.
Back page. Not even back page. Parade. Remember there's American football. There's basketball. There's ice hockey. There's baseball. These are celebrated sports in the US.
Ice hockey. Back
then, it was just this much. But it evolved when Opecam, they started coming in. Thierry Henry, Juan Pablo Angel, when those guys started coming in, then it changed the whole landscape.
Okay.
Achievements nje ukhona ngale before we goal.
We won a Super League Cup. Nancy man uchensi. Like a corner now.
Coach zoom in it coach.
Nancy yakuchengisa ibhalwe phakathi yabona.
Yabona
Amadoda abanye abantu ba serious.
Revolution.
Mana si ucoach zoom again. Ababukeli beyibona.
So
this is how serious football is being taken.
Yeah.
That side.
Lati siyafuna ukubona sho amawacha manje yabo
Dynamo
simadoda.
Mana siboneka bhango leyibi.
So
Rolex ndoda.
So when you want Super League is more like a Champions League and so you get teams from Mexico and teams from America.
Okay.
Playing for
that cup.
For that cup. So we won it that year. And I was the youngest player to score 5 goals in that tournament.
Okay.
At that moment in time. Then my first year in 2008, I was the finalist for Rookie of the Year.
All right.
Because that season I scored 7 goals. And I was by the injury.
Okay.
So like for me now, I feel blessed with that opportunity, and I cannot regret anything that happened during that time. And I still have friends over there. When I go there, the club recognized me. So
legend.
You often when you're a footballer, that's that. But again, we come back to our own clubs here.
Comparison.
When you appreciate it more outside the country than in your own country.
It's so sad, bro.
So sukile ndazula.
Ngasese goli ngizigoli kumaZulu.
Ebe.
The only unfortunate part ukuthi I didn't stay there for long.
Okay.
Because when when a new coach comes in,
Yeah.
I didn't figure out there was a different coach. January there was a new coach who comes in, says "Funa my players like or Funa with that particular moment." But
Awuka showcase
Awuka-
talent the
awuka-
way. Yes.
Because it's different. You're coming from a different country, going to a different setup altogether.
Because I think
My
that,
dynamics they changes. Like there's so much that comes into place. You talk when I've been in the US for 12 plus years. I'm coming back to Africa. Then guys, I'm Zimbabwe.
Yeah.
I'm going to a different country. So when I'm to adjust in there, like the professionalism, abantu they take seriously a US. Like if I'm plumber, I'll make sure that I do the best thing as a plumber. If I'm I'm the best at it. But now when you come back, you find people that are more relaxed. When they're comfortable with where they are. Because in South Africa, there's money, there's everything.
Professionalism.
So you find when they become comfortable with that.
Sesendazula lapha Bramira. Siphendukele eAfrica, new lifestyle, new what. Wahamba njani usixoxele bra abantu bebekwazi. Sike sizwe ukuthi indazula yakuphatha njani.
Indazula nxa use-KZN ufale uthi useBulawayo. And
so no we can safely say bala.
You're right. Because Durban is so laid back. So, but it's crazy fans.
Okay.
They welcomed me well because it do a goal.
Yeah.
But I'll tell you a funny story. When I got there, guys are in
Why?
Now I'm going mentality about things.
Oh yes.
Olo Kapini, Olo Nyadombo, Olo Ramson, Joao. So I want to buy a Zimbabwe. So all of them are commission. So I'm after commission. Maybe first 2-3 weeks. Just wanted to find out in what was about to So it's funny because Nina young guys always ngisigcola mpatapata ngigqoka ishoti vele ukwazi bekhuluma West America lo njani lo yabona udulalele wena kodwa uzezibona uzo
uzezuphambi
but after a while ngase ngisithi yanjoyela kabi yabona sibona ukuthi khona bethu ukuthi kwalomlongo into yena idube ngifanele idubela akunamehluko ziyakhuluma isizulu so by that time wasengwazi this is a good guy this is a guy unje so like in my stay at Durban it was enjoyable because Zimbabwean guys already so for me now it was good mnyama sewala ukuthi we lost the coach because that coach
by then who was coaching Amazon?
This guy from Sweden, but then go up you crack Rost,
Ajax,
Pirates, so we senior players and Swiss of Villa as well at Ajax. So it's me, we had four players what guys need.
But the short stay
my short stay,
in terms of Eporeni. Nyakwazi ukuthi ngale eDurban bathi thwa amazulu ayabamba.
Ngazibonela lo can. The good thing about abantu abana they don't abaqhitshisi. Fair umuntu athatha azigcobele. Angitshela athi dube ngiyaqinisa mina. Can you imagine, bro? But the exposure for me kwamvula amehlo yabona but ngangivela endaweni we umuthi awusebenzi because I remember say US there's a guy wabuyevela Senegal ele mithi samtshela ndoda lapha kula mithi awusebenzi lapha kuse ground wabuya lo muthi wakhe it didn't make the team wahamba yabona you take for example
lombuzo khona bongaqedi
sense emazulu people are using umuthi but uthola umuntu engahlohli kodwa usebenzisa umuthi so now it comes mentality what do you believe in because mina umuthi khona
ungathini kubafana abancane laba abadlalayo ule Christianity kulento zona lezi ama beliefs kanjani njani what advice can you give to the youngsters?
The only advice bro umuthi use ground work hard that's the only medicine umuthi ungawudinga now ufuna umuthi pray bro.
Yeah.
Like I know kula bantu abangabelieve in Christianity, so I'm not gonna discriminate into good wrong or what.
Yeah.
But I'm saying ukuthi Tina Lape is Zimbabweans. It's a close around the Christianity. Abaningi bakhona. So you pray and work hard.
Yeah, kuphela.
Besithi ukumaZulu ubone lo choma eSenegal uyabamba. Ngapha ke osuke khona island kwakungela yini inshisto phela kwakule story Buddhas ukuthi Ireland kuyafika ke Kemu.
Kuzukrazo.
Wena ungani uyala.
But honestly, we have to be frank. Abantu babefuna uba wazi. If we miss this opportunity, asoze siyithola. Wena yawazi yeko it.
Hayi mina ngizakutshela ukuthi mina Ireland engayidlala yengeka Kevin Kind and we're praying Warriors.
Ikho lingawinanga championship man. Man. Ikho lingawinanga championship man. Ikho lingawinanga championship.
I'll be honest with you, right? Bulama clubs that believe in that. There are clubs that believe we have to do certain things for you to perform.
Okay.
It's everywhere.
Yeah.
It's in Zimbabwe, maybe there's 10 clubs or more. But Gulama clubs that don't believe in that. Again, Gulama coaches that believe that. Gulama believe Konoko. So it's a touchy subject.
Yeah.
But
utuvela ngaphi
so kumaZulu kwenzakala openly ngapha kwaYilenda kumbe kulabantu abakwenza
hayi ngathi ngapha kwaYilenda
hayi manje mkhumula lapho wadlala khona Buddhas
mina engadlala khona I'll tell you I've played for so many clubs in Zimbabwe. I've seen clubs that do that. I've seen clubs that don't do that. So I think this is a perfect answer for you. There are clubs that do that. When you now podcast, which means I investigate.
So from AmaZulu, short stay, ususuka
AmaZulu came back to Chicken Inn.
It did not come back to your boyhood club.
You know, before I went to AmaZulu, Vele US, I came here. I trained with the Islanders also. I trained with Islanders 2-3 months. 2-3 months. There was no contact to Tolly contract. I remember.
Who was the coach?
Kind. Kind wanted me to play for him.
Okay.
And I feel.
Yeah.
Like Lama felt at home when I was training. With okay, I don't mind playing here.
Okay.
But if there's no contact from your hierarchy, then what do I do?
Bye-bye.
At the top.
So I got the opportunity to go to AmaZulu. But when I left for AmaZulu, on that particular day when I left here, I got a phone call from the office to who's signing contract.
How far?
Like really, I've been here for 3 months. There's no contact.
Professionalism.
Now to cover their backs. The following day, newspaper was talking. What number 2,500.
Come on,
But at
that particular time, bro, I didn't even mind playing Mahara. Because when I left Chicago Fire, I wasn't holding my 2 years. So like it wasn't about money. Because you go and train in Fairbrich, remember? You go and train in Fairbrich. I would drive to Fairbrich. I didn't ask for anything. But just to come and be part of his setup.
Your club.
So when I left, when I came back, Umandla, when I used to come back, I go train with Ira Stars. I coach Ira Stars. So in Mescalesiana, where I say we had coach one, which Chicken. So I felt like Uvule.
Okay, top coach.
Yeah. So for me, it was like just a no-brainer. Okay. It's like going to a team of coach.
Yeah.
So that's why I ended up with Chicken.
How many seasons are you staying at Chicken Inn?
Chicken Inn, I came 2012. I left 2015. I left that year championship. Yeah.
Always struggle on door, I think.
But that year was a humble.
Oh, okay.
So lana iyela ngolabo fire labo bantu.
Sasikulenye esasisonke khona 2014
2014.
Short contract.
2014
Okay.
So njabonti when I came back ngakolo manja for a while then manja left. Kwabuyo antipass.
so laphana usuke kwayilenda wayemazweni wayegoli wasuphenduka eZimbabwe kanti usungene la awusayi eteamini oyijayeleyo usuku chickenini i-reception yankona yayinjani like usujayele ukuthi kwayilenda lenza njani izinto i-difference yayingaphi ku-chickenini khona lapho
Chickenini which was more professional in the sense ukuthi when you agree on something njengakhona iyabuya
okay
yabona ngesikhathi
yeah
and like the way they were doing things then
Was
I felt ukuthi it was a perfect place for me to go.
yeah but singasakhulumela into zezimali lani ngithi nje egroundini yabona ivibe ejali kuba khona kwayilendazi
Chicken is a small team. It's a small team, so you don't expect pressure iphansi awusozuhamba uthethwa ngabantu phandle ngadliwa. So vibe ekhona it was a team egcwele abafana abancane. Wakhala kwalo Danny Phiri, Kuda Mahachi, Fire Ndoro, Makaya, Nikoredema. I don't know abafana abancane that still wanted to learn. So when I came back,
now
I'm more senior and the experience I could come in and help abafana. Ngakhangela ufire that season amagoals ahlohlayo. Ngakhala ama-assist ayivela ngaphi you know.
Iyo phela yodenje ukuthi ostrika Ndoro yep Ndoro waya endazi kanti umnyaka kwamba
2012
places lapha
ngiyakhumbula
umshoza ngamnceda kakhulu.
So njabonti when you come back ipressure la waselala pressure njengakudala because you've gone, you've seen it all. You come back now, you want to share your experience with our fan. Yabona
Chickenini lapho any accolades personally or lokuzena nje
Chickenini
achievements.
I think they still owe me championship because I played first half of the season before I left.
Wasuka Chickenini?
Yeah.
2015
not January. I left mid-season.
Usiya ku Platinum?
No. Mid-season, that's when I started the club in 2015.
Which club?
Is Zebra Revolution. Yeah. Because 2015 when I left Chickenini. It was awkward. Because kuma newspaper bathiwa mkhokheli sesikulo Chickenini.
Wona sasekhona.
But mina ngikhona hamba ngisetrain.
Hayi into zebhola.
Ngitrain. And like ngasukhulele you're more calmer. So I'm like I don't want to be a distraction. So rather just sit back. That's where it could have ended.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I had 6 months left to my contract. So
any hard feelings there?
No hard feelings. It's part of football. So
but
they owe me.
He played half of the season.
If
Come on.
in any other country,
the world,
you get your medal. I'll take an example for Devon Chafa when he played Platinum. He played 3-4 games. Got a championship medal. So I'm saying in a real world.
Yeah.
I should put my seventh championship.
Okay. 7 now trophy bra. So ususukile lapha ku Chickenini.
So
6 months lezo ubusenza 6 months lezo.
So now what happened when I left in 2008.
Okay.
When I was back in the US. One night I woke up ebusuku. I started scribbling down about me starting a club. I still have the book. It was
didn't have intentions of. You just wanted to be an owner.
3 a.m. in the morning. I just said I want to start an academy. The idea was an academy.
All right. Ichiyona esizayilanda bro. Sayilanda. Funa playing career yakho mbijana la. Usuka ku Chickenini.
Yeah. So Chickenini. So I had 6 months.
Usihlalela. Trainer wethu.
No, first 2 months ngangisihlalele. Then I went to train with Iblawe City.
Yeah, okay.
Uphila Beef was the coach. He said come train. He wanted to register me with him that year. So ngagcina ngisengitrainer kuphela because I was like,
You still had the zeal to play, or
I still wanted to play.
How many years gone up?
But around that pressure. 2015, I think.
2015.
About 31, 32.
42.
No, 41. This year.
41.
Okay.
So you can calculate and do a math.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
But also say about Twilight even.
is Zimbabwean Twilight, right?
Yeah.
African Twilight.
African
Of
Twilight,
course.
yeah.
So that 6 months, that's when I, like I said, that's when I decided to start my club. That's
trainer.
so I had so much time to myself. Like that's like when you're a person, you need time to just think about your future.
But I think upango kubambe ufuna ukukhuluma an interesting part about how that dream came about.
Ngithi siyayikhuluma after phambili. Sifuna iplayer ngicareer yakhe ke sitshele.
So
Bebewazi abantu.
So that part like I was saying, Guti, I had so much time to myself. I had so much time to think about what I want to do, think about my future at that particular time. And those 6 months helped me a lot. Because sometimes when you are caught up in the limelight, you forget to just think about your future and what's next.
Okay.
So from then, that's when I started thinking about what I want to do after, how I can do it. Like I needed time for me, just peaceful time. So during that time, it was the most peaceful time that I ever had in my career. I was not playing football, but I was training every day. And I knew exactly what I wanted to do the following season because I was already training with Blawe City. And in that time, team right, Premier League players, they were ready for Premier League.
So next year, Angona.
Next year, signed with Blawe City. Played
2017.
2016. I was there for a year and a half. 2016, first part of 2017. Then that's when I moved to FC Platinum.
Why cheat him about the right?
I cheat him number 6.
Number 6.
Number 6. And when I left, I was the captain as well.
And achievement. Where was it? That was it's moved there and shock. I'm sure it's Platinum. I was shocked.
But you know why? Because there was this perception with Tim Kokel
yes.
Which was derived from me living in Chicken.
Oh,
when Chicken in Chicken University, Babe City separated.
And I know I see the politics.
So I stay away from it. So
Kade vele ngubamba umlomo bra. Why ngapha isingathi southern region nga bekuthanda kona ukuthi umuntu engafika ama 30 something sepheli. But if you check ku northern side ngalo kubo Harare umuntu ezothola 42 years.
Khaya uMambare nje 45.
Check uMambare kade umuntu njengoMambare uBruce Kangwa
uyadlana.
Thombani uAlan Kashi
Benza.
But Okapenza is a different situation. Let's talk about
Umambare.
Umambare is here, Kachang. Just come home. Let's talk about Bruce.
Yeah, Bruce.
Bruce is Highlanders.
Yeah.
Kango.
Bruce is Highlanders. Like he's black and white.
That is black and white.
But we didn't give him a contract.
Twas secluded.
But now when you live here and you go perform there. Now, the other thing, so I think it should be a process where I want to learn. Because when I left Chicken, second game of the season, God made it with this little Chicken. I scored a goal, Chicken is about the 2-1. You see? When I left Blawe City, Kongani is good riddance, which I have. And fun enough, 2 games down the line, you play Blawe Chiefs. We beat them 4-1. Emanda.
You scored.
I'm man of the match in the game. So it should be a lesson somewhere.
Yeah.
Again, for the young players, you should come with the mentality as a person.
Yeah.
Do you take it if you're taken down?
Yeah.
Do you get up and fight for it?
Yeah.
Because for me, it's been that all my career, where people look down upon you and say, I say cool. But I mean, I always come back and work hard because the mentality is like, it's 16 years playing for Islanders. crazy Highlanders. Yakona leya.
Yakhona leya khathesi, yeah.
Highlanders senela
Proper-
mafans ukuthi
like proper
ngajwe ba
lokudla futhi asasile.
Ngathi ngazwana egroundini.
Lokudla futhi
Ngazwana.
asasile.
I remember
Abantu,
i-Terrybot esedliwayo, i-Terrybot Cup yakhumbula kwathi khona ama-Santana.
Yeah.
That was the Highlanders I was part of.
Yes.
Yabona. So i-mentality yami from that time ukuthi ngavele ngivalela lama blinders, I don't listen to what you say. Ngazi uthini ngami
Leso young boys are learning.
yabo. So that's why I'm saying ukuthi the mental aspect of football is the most powerful one.
Yeah.
If you are ready and you are willing ukuthi you have to be mentally stable. One. These days they talk about mental wellness and all the stuff. It goes a long way in football, but in a sequence,
Yeah.
you still believe in Becky into some time.
Ngasukhuluma ngekhanda yazi I remember my former coach uMakmati. Yes, every after before game wayesihlale enjela so umzethu khona it's all up in the mind. It's all in the mind. It's all in the mind.
It plays a big part.
'Cause
So Mshoza, okay,
Go ahead.
continue.
Because I was saying, because if you're not strong here, then which means everything ekudosela phansi uyayivumela.
Ngiyavumela.
But you know me now straightforward. If I didn't care ukuthi ungubani, if ungangenza wrong I'll tell you. Sometimes you could think abantu babe ngani now mina. Abangizwisisi. But I believe ukuthi I have to speak my mind.
And with principles.
I'm a principles. I'm not gonna bend them for anyone. Yeah.
Now I was going to Super Platinum. Moving over from Platinum, what next? Because naloke ngifascinated ukuthi izebra yaqalisa njani. Although program kuba
So when I left Platinum City, I went to Platinum. The Platinum, it was simple. I had a great coach. I had a great time over there because my mandate was simple. You're coming here, you have to win a championship at all costs. Yeah, but so when you go to a place where roles are being spelled out and the mandates are being spelled out, it becomes easy for a professional footballer because you know exactly what you have to do. So as Figala Partner, we knew we had to win a championship. Kongele any plan. And I had 6 months left to my contract because then I'm loan. I'm being alone. So I had 6 months left to my contract. So I was working. I had to prove myself. And if we didn't win, it was going to be failure. Because I remember the media was saying it's all people's home because it was me, Tekshua Chinyama, Ali Sadiki. So we all above 30. So because it was all people's home. But God has always his plans for us. And we won there 3 years later, 3 championships. Lapo Sempeli.
Bravo. 3 championships.
Bravo. Nice one. So how many championships in Zimbabwe?
In the six, but 7.
The
chicken.
How are you food at it?
No, because sometimes we take it for granted, but when you do work, you have to be rewarded.
Yeah. True.
Plus labantwana nxa sumtshela umntwana endlini ukuthi angathatha i-championship le chicken
Angiphiwa.
Emntwini
awula. Ngathethi wena evening ngathi ngangikhona uyathi profile.
Sesiyala ngoba iproof azibo. Sungabuza umbuzo wakho lana because I'm fascinated about ukuthi i-team le isihlubile mdala singakayi.
Usuchila ibhola la Brown. After that.
Awungakhohlwa, I came back to Islanders again.
Yes. What you do manje? So kuyi-net one.
Ngaphinda Harrison.
Ngithi bathini i-net one i-sponsorship.
Ngeye COVID.
COVID and?
Yeah. So finally I came back home. That is always my dream to come back and play.
360.
To come back and play for Islanders.
Lapho kasakhona.
Ngizophelela khona. It's 360.
But unfortunately COVID happened and when COVID happened a lot of careers were stopped. Mine included because like a year of not playing at that age as well.
Ngaki so the 40.
37.
37. Almost 40.
Almost 40, yeah.
But 40.
Because any topic mfuna ubhala phansi. Sile topic yeminyaka. Sile came. Kumele sikhulume ngazo. So let's continue.
So I came back home, which for me it was like fulfilling for me.
Also sharp.
Saying right, like now I can retire, I'm okay.
You can hang the boots.
Yeah, well. And the reason why I came home, I wanted to help Bafana Bekona. But my young boy Prince was still there.
Prince too.
Yeah. So I wanted to come and help these boys go. Because I've seen over the
But
years.
you Prince related, and
Yeah.
The boys.
footballing family, then.
Abadala bethu babedlala ibhola, so this
It's in the
did
blood.
that. Yeah. So when I came back, my whole idea was to come and help. Because I've seen throughout my career, when I came back, Chicken Fire Wahamba. When I went to Platinum, Muro mascot crazy goes Wahamba. So I knew with
always helping.
when I come here, I'll
Leave an impact.
I'll leave an impact. And if you want to remember, when I was season Stelama friendly, our team was looking good.
Yeah.
Under Umar Harrison.
Harrison.
And it's unfortunate. And I felt that year was going to be a great year for us. But eventually, COVID happened. Then we.
All curtains
I was,
closed.
I was there for television. I signed for television.
Yeah.
Then
T1.
ngokuphelela into khona sokule television engapha lengapha. Then I said I don't want to be part of that. So then I call it time.
Okay. Curtain closed.
Curtain closed.
No more football.
Curtain closed.
Curtain
But
closed.
Playing.
Playing
football in my blood.
All right.
Playing.
Ngiyadlala social ungakhohlwa.
So brother lapha ama-curtain asevaliwe la. First day. Kusasa kwakhona. Awuye training. Awusadlala. How was it like? Wafila njani?
You see the good thing about me retiring, I was always going to be part of football. Like I said, 2015 I started my own club. So waking up in the mornings it's in my DNA. I have to wake up and go to training every day.
That part I'm still waiting.
So
I'm still waiting.
So 2015 when I was given a break by Chicken in June 18, 2015 I started my club on my birthday.
Okay.
I decided I was with my brother, Fortune Mbele, and my uncle, Bektemba Biwi.
Fortune Mbele.
The reporter, yeah.
Okay.
He's my brother.
All right, okay.
We decided to start the club.
Yeah.
And that's when Zebra Revolution was born. Zebra is it to be Sami Revolution, the club I played for in the US. This is how I come up with Zebra Revolution.
Khathiwa ingazange yaba izebra boso. Zebra islanders.
Akulento iyiphika bile esikhuluma. Yabona la lana iqambile. Mdala ubonile watch. Wabemphethe eswi.
Wabemphethe sharp.
Wabemphethe eswi.
But why they daughter ama championship amani?
Uyakwazi ukukhela ama championship but ungekho swi.
When I go to Boston, I'm at home.
Oh.
This is what I'm telling you.
Tan Islanders.
Lapha sazalwa khona bra. It's home away from home.
All right.
He's Highlanders too. That's why he's asking me. So that's when the celebration started. So the following year, 2016, we registered 2 much juniors.
But Buddha, don't leave me hanging. 2008, we had 3 a.m.
3 a.m. in the morning. I write a note. I want to start an academy. I write my vision down. This is what I want to do. I want to empower the youngsters to become better. Because I felt like I told you opportunity through someone who empowered me to get a scholarship.
True.
So coming back home, helping someone to change their lives. Even for me, payment yami. If I can help someone move from here to there and becomes better, that's my payment. That's the reason why I started Zebra Revolution.
Okay.
For me to empower Abafana and give them opportunities. And from 2012, the same boys that I have in 2012 are the same boys that are in Division 1. And most of the boys from that 2012 team, they're playing in Premier League teams. Wow. Which for me, already I'm fulfilled. I'm okay with that. Because my vision was to empower, and I have empowered people.
You've already empowered.
Yeah. So that's when I started with Kabanga Revolution. So a few years later, 2015, we start the club. We have our vision. I have my uncle who was doing the coaching at that time because I had people, Josiah Piri, is a guy from Sizinda, one coach, and I'm Mfana. He's still part of that guy. So these are the guys that helped me. So I felt I have to surround myself with Abantu that have empowerment in their blood. So we started that club 2015. 2016, I started just talking about juniors. We started playing. Moving forward now, playing Serie A, my juniors. We have a Division one club that we just got promoted last year from Division 2. So it shows foot again when you're looking at a process. We have to trust the process. Where we started in Wafalawe, my 12 years, now they are 19, 20, and they're playing with Division 1. So it shows as well the progress. We're up at corner and where we are going. So for me, that's now part of my life.
Okay.
Being the president of that club and having an executive that runs the club properly. I think
this is healthy in the Zimbabwean context as a former player, now a president of the club, as he's talking about structures, executive, because we're having these problems. Because I'm problems I'm going to phezulu teacher udweki I like ukuthi you're a former player and we have traveled the world with the beautiful game. Now we are impacting it in knowledge. Zimbabwe, and we're talking about structures. In terms of not playing, but executive-wise, structures, currently your structure and the structures of some of the best teams, so-called best teams in Zim football, because they are struggling because of the structures.
Well, you have to look at the PESUL first. If you're looking at PESUL, you're talking about the board, you're talking about everything going downwards. If there's proper PESUL, everything is proper, the systems we are passing up are right. Because if you're talking about the board is the one that's supposed to climb. And the board, if they're transparent and they're doing everything football-wise, the results come from PESUL, we see a pants. It's like just winning. If you're a winner, it rubs to Bango, it rubs to you.
That's why we say it's passing.
Yeah.
Yes.
So now there's so many people who want to be in power. So that's why I decided to just start my own thing. If you start my own thing, but surrounding myself with people from different environments. Because I'm not doing tattoo bango, in the club. And being a businessman, another business perspective where you run a club. Also, a business mindset, I can't find a club. Then for me now, I've got an edge because I've been exposed to kind of football outside the country. Where I told you, it's a $1 billion industry. And there's so much money to be made.
Yes.
But without the right people around you, people look at it in terms of gram, in terms of 2.5. But why in as gram have a brand?
Yeah.
If gram a brand, he's always going to remember Ubutu Velangapi. Gram goes the revolution. When the brand gram grows, the brand is the revolution grows. So if we have 4 or 5 grams going outside there, which means we are more visible and the value comes back to us. Everyone wants to associate with what? With Zebra Revolution. So now the success but it's how you get there. It's the process. You start step by step. Also to jump and
it's showing even a ground. Last week, Macha Island at 5.
Uba nomshoza
5 note.
Hayi ngawachuma.
5 note.
Wachuma. But so far so good, Bram. I'm happy ngeproject yakho, Bram.
Yeah, thank you so much.
I'm also happy.
So nyazwa lapho uthi uyi-owner team president and ngapha ungu-coach. Any coaching badges?
I've done cups in 2017. You know, our country, we've been stuck with this. Atungela, my courses. So I've done the Brazilian football level 4. I did it 2015, I think.
So
I have
you're
level
always
3 in Zimbabwe.
preparing.
Now I'm busy looking for a place to go do my CAF B.
Okay.
Because I feel like putting abe yakuzange kube lento ezavalala. I feel like ngabe ngisenza bo CAF A kumbe sengilungisele CAF Pro. Yabona. The fact ukuthi we banned for a while singisekela ama courses. Guess we still have to move. But now you see ama coaches amaningi they're going outside the country trying to uthi sithole khonoko.
Yeah. Abantu abaningi babefuna ukuba kwazi nje phandle khona lapha Bram uthi unje as a owner ama dreams akho yokuyini and as a coach yokuyini okufisayo nje.
As a owner, I want to see growth for the club, which is paramount to everything. Because if the club grows, which means everything around us grows. So which means me as a coach I elevate as well. So my vision is just to empower the boys. If we every year we can afford to, which is something like 3-4 Premier League, abanye going outside the country, that's the purpose of our club. Empowerment of our fan. Bring our fan and our Zulali Bora, as we say, star is This is the vision of the club. But now as you grow, when you grow, you have a management goals that come by along the way. You're looking at now with Division 1. We are happy to be in Division 1 right now. But after a while, you get stagnant. So which means in a couple of years, that's just Premier League. But you have to be prepared to get there. We can't just rush ourselves and say, so Division 1 want to go to Premier League. Everyone wants to go to Premier League. But the question, are we ready to go there? Do we have fans that as a sustain us as a Premier League? So it's a process, like I said, it will take time. But now, we are happy where we are. We are happy with the rate. Our players are humble. You see, our other teams in the Premier League. Because if you last year, we had 4 players go to Premier League. So there's something good we are doing.
Right.
Now, we go to Division 2 and going to play straight to Premier League, going to play.
It shows you're doing something right.
Yeah. As a coach, I want to be the best in Zimbabwe because I have to start somewhere. I want to be the best in Zimbabwe. Eventually, coaching maybe national team.
Yeah, it does.
It comes with being the best, right?
Yeah.
Because if you're not the best, I'm like, there's no one that's will come to me. But if I'm the best coach and suited for the top at that particular time, I don't mind going there. Because at some point I have to grow as well. Get out of my comfort zone where this is my project and go somewhere in your sense of the abe lama targets akafuna fulfill.
Okay.
I think in closing, is Zebra Revolution, we've had division, we've had your goals. Umuntu maybe my structures. These days, I my team, a member. Is there anything of that sort?
Yeah, we have a Zebra Revolution membership. There's 4 tiers. Ikona Mahara, Ikona Zebra Ling $25. Ikona VIP, then there's Platinum $100. So if you're part of that program, when Nama chairs is for sale, you get a discount. Nagulama activities and clubbing. The members are the first people to know.
First priority.
The first priority. So now when my events, like now it's like a white city. If it's like a white city in the main ground and you are home, my members to their place VIP. You get the feeling that you're special.
You're special, You're part of.
You are part of what you're trying to do.
Okay.
Like as we go forward, we have plans to start a company that I can tell you now, but the company that we're working with, a fungus sponsor, my kids. It's a new trademark that's in South Africa, so we're still sucking my lap. The moment is as you open our sports shop, we sell regalia, we sell. Like I was saying, football is a business.
Proper.
So we have to capitalize in every single thing I told upon.
Yeah.
But without my fans. Without my memberships, it's difficult. So we need my fans, we need sponsors. Southern side, you have it's challenging because even our league, there are few sponsors. So we hope in the lessons and Zebra Revolution, it will attract people to come and want to be associated with us.
Definitely.
And our sponsors, we are here. We're a club that's growing. We are not going anywhere. You come and you're part of us. You help us a lot in terms of growth. Logia Pambi.
I think kumele uphinde futhi that camera.
That camera.
Yeah, that camera.
I'm saying to our sponsors, if you want to learn about Zebra Revolution, you can check out our platforms there too. We're a club that's growing. We're a club that's going further, Siapambili. But we need your support. And without you, Siapambili is stagnant. But if you come in and you share your ideas, we share with what our vision, we put it together, we can go further.
Okay. Like a young upcoming owner, former footballer, and what do you ask from me in corporate world? In terms of Zimbabwe, what can be done differently from izinto esenziwa kudala ukuthi ibhola lethu leZimbabwe improve?
First and foremost, you must take a football as a business, not as a sport. Singakwenza khona ukuthi uchinje khona ukuthi i-mindset yethu ukuthi football is a business. That's when corporate world is going to come in, because they know the benefits of being part of a business.
Yes.
Being part of a successful business.
Yeah.
Clubs owning stadiums, that's another thing. Because now if a club owns a stadium, yonke revenue goes to the club. So my club, they become self-sustainable. Okunye singasupportana. Now you guys are doing a podcast. If I come and support you, and they look for abantu abanye nxa befuna podcast, which means you guys are growing as well.
Yeah.
So when I go out there, I'm not only preaching Zebra Revolution. I'm preaching this podcast.
Yeah.
So with
the number one podcast in the land.
Number one podcast in the land. I'm not gonna forget that.
Yeah.
With my best guys in the Philippines.
Yeah.
So again, I'm saying, Guti, let's support each other.
True.
You doing a podcast, I support you. I'm doing football, you support me.
Yeah.
At the end of the day, all of us benefit.
Yeah. In closing, any last words?
The last words, I'm gonna say to my upcoming footballers, the key to success is hard work. Without hard work, you are nothing. I always tell people, Guti, you have to fail first to make it. Try and keep on trying, and you see success it doesn't come easy. You have to work extra hard.
Let's say practice I want to okay siba ngcono.
Okay, thanks Abraham ukuthi sibe lawe lapha. It was a good day ukuthi ngubone singabonana eBoreni. And I wish you all the best to project yakho Abraham.
Thank you so much.
Sharp with us.
Asemi emshoza uke siyabonga ukuthi usivakatshele. It's been a pleasure. I think we could have talked inkomo zizibuye ekhaya. Siyabonga kakhulu. This has been a wonderful episode with Mkhokheli Dube. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.